Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see about the basic text formatting options on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. I'm just going to show my basic text formatting option on your WPS presentation on your mobile. So here first of all, I'm just going to type my name here. Okay, so after typing my name, I just need to have a basic text formatting option. If you double tap here, it will show copy paste on the translate, delete, copy, format, etc. So click on this icon option, and you can also have an option by clicking here. You can see the text. You can just select it. You can just increase the text size by clicking here. You can just make it as bold, and also you can just change the font by clicking here. You can see a lot of font here. You can just change the font here by using like this if you just need it. So there's a lot of font, different type of fonts are here, and then you can just click on the text, this menu option on the bottom section here. You can just change the color of the background color. It's a fill color, and this is a border color if you just need it, and also the text color, and everything has something here. So if you just need to change the text color, just swipe down, and here you can see an option for text border and everything here. So you can just change it particularly like this, and this is actually a text box option. If you just need a text option, click on this icon. So you just need to come back to the home section. Here is the text icon, text option here. Now select it, and you can just change the color to the red like that, and you can just change to italic, underline, and also have some shadows if you just need it. So I'm just going to change the text box color to normal. So here you can see it's actually on the home section, and you can have a more advanced option on the bottom. This is how you just have a basic customization on your WPS presentation mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique.